you have to open with Jupyter mode. Jupyter file you have to open with Daniel, how? Simple, man. Go to that location. Here you need to enter command prompt. Now Chapan sir, open Jupyter. Open what exactly? Jupyter. For anybody, if Jupyter is not working, do let me know. If anybody is getting Jupyter is not recognized or external, not recognized internal or external command, there is one alternative command. That command name will be Python-m notebook. Python-m. That command works actually. Is it working? Yeah, good. It works actually. If Jupyter command is not working, then do let me know. Oh, sorry. Jupyter notebook. So the moment inside EDA project folder, if you are opening Jupyter notebook, what happened, sir? What happened, Server is running. Oh yeah, it opens the browser automatically. You have to please be patient, see. Good. On which folder you have opened Jupyter actually? This folder. Then these two files it will be visible, including date also. If you want, you can cross verify. Chudani Miru. Oh, Daniel. Yeah, exactly. This one is 22 hours exactly. Yesterday by this time we have opened. This is the data set, a long back data set actually. I have copied here. Just to give a double click. Just to give what, man? Now give a double click. These are all points I covered yesterday. Conclusion of the story, this is the way, that's what I have taken replicate actually. Am I right or not, sir? These are all written. What is the last step actually? Gurtunda meeku? Date, time, yeah, converting date into object into date, time, data type. So seems to be that heading I kept actually, but here I didn't written that. Yeah, we need to continue. Yeah, let me tell you. Once you open Jupyter, first of all, you open Jupyter file actually. You open what, man? One more time. Then don't run any cell actually. If you run this cell, what happen, the expected output is this one, you will get error. Error name is a name error. What error, name error, exactly, DF is not defined. Once you open Jupyter file, restore the kernel. Chapan sir? Restore the kernel actually. That is a good practice. Go back and you can just hit to kernel here actually. Restore kernel and run all cells. Chapan sir? Restore kernel and run all cells. That option you can find here. Go to the kernel and restart kernel and run all cells. One more time. Go to the kernel, Chapan sir, restart kernel and run all cells. And you have to please be patient. See. Once you run this, a star indicates to the all cells are running in the backend. Here the star indicates to backend all cells are getting running. Once the star symbol disappears, you're supposed to get as a number, then all cells are valid. All cells are valid. You have to please be patient. Why? Because all done, man. Done actually. Done. Anyway, I will give a recap. Did you understand, sir? This is the way. Jupyter file you have to open with Jupyter. One more time. Jupyter file you have to open with. Can I open directly like a notepad? No. If you open, you cannot see actually. Okay. Today, a quite interesting session. A lot of things we are going to discuss. Move on. Yeah, Daniel, give a small recap. Then go back and okay. Do one thing. So this one is yesterday part 1, right? Can I change this one is part 2 actually? Is it okay for you? Yeah, part 2. Let me just have to change this one is a part 2. That's still okay. Yes, I have changed it. Now today file I can run actually. Today file contains yesterday code also. This is carry forward actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, make a note on this. Go then open the template, sir. Open the template. We have a template, right? Where is the template? Go to the data analytics and go back and the project. This is what the template. Yeah. Let's separate this. Let me separate this. Let's just have to drag and you can maximize actually. Good. I can use this one for reference actually. Reference. Can I continue? Move on. Fine then. This is what we done yesterday. These are all steps we done. First one will be importing the libraries. Next one, importing the libraries, pandas and numpy required libraries. Loading the data set. Loading what, sir? Data set. You need to load the data set. Though the data set is not so not Indian related data set, the data set is kind of out of country actually. You have to apply encoding. You have to apply. Daniel, I will not apply. That's still okay. You will get a Unicode error. What error, sir? Unicode error you will get actually. I wanted to load the data set. You need to call a function. Read underscore CS. Function call assigning into variable y. Written, backend written actually. Can somebody tell the syntax? Keyword organize. This one is called as a positional organize. I wanted to find number of rows and columns. Shape attribute. Top 5 rows, head method. Last 5 rows, tail method. I wanted to display all columns. Columns attribute. What attribute?
Columns.
We done this. I wanted to print one by one column. For loop. I wanted to rename columns actually.
Dictionary.
Yeah, good. First to prepare a dictionary, then call rename method. Rename method, so within place, without in place. Within place means I wanted to apply changes on existing object. I don't want new object. I don't want what, man? New object. Next one. After changing, if you want, you can cross verify. Let's check initial data. I mean to say top 5 rows, head method. Checking first 5 rows, head method. Data cleanup operations actually. There is a one attribute name is a D types. What is the attribute name? You can call this. You can call this and happily you can see actually. I wanted to know data frame information. Info method. What method, boss? Quite interesting. Whenever you are calling info method, this number and this number should be matched. If it is not matching, having missing value. Having what? Please be focused actually. Okay, so 541909, 541909, blah blah blah. These are all okay. We done these are all, but seems to be this one is matching. It's not matching. Description having missing value. Yeah, Daniel, it is matching. Customer ID not matching, having missing value. Now out of 8 columns actually 2 columns having one of the data analysis operation. You should highlight actually. You should highlight. Checking missing values for each column. You need to call a method is NA or is null, not NA. Anything you can use actually. Is NA method. We have applied is NA method. Is null or is NA method works in the same way. When you are calling this one, we used to get like a boolean values. We'll get what? Boolean value. But who need boolean values? We need what exactly, man? One more time. Column wise missing value. One more time. Nice. Then this is the way we done actually. Such a nicely here I have written. Good. First one is NA. I need column wise missing values count. Some method. Yes, you will get an output. But I wanted to format the output. I wanted to format what, man? Alright. So if you run this one, what happen? You will get the result like this, man. This is not. See, what is the main motto? Showing the missing value. First one is not missing value. Second one is not missing value. Then why you are displaying? I am not displaying the result. I am getting from like this actually. This is the result. I don't want this result, boss. I need where exactly more missing value. I wanted to display that one is a top one. The next one, second one, next one, third one respectively. Then what we need to do? First of all, hold on. Yeah, very good. This is series. This is what, man? Series. This is index. This is value. Sort underscore values. Chapman sir. The moment when you are calling not sort underscore index. If you are calling sort underscore index, what happen? Sir, this one will be sort actual. Who need this one? I need values. Sort underscore values actual. Then its values will be sorted. Sort underscore values by default ascending order. What order? But who need ascending order? I need a descending order. Then what we need to do? Ascending equals to false. That's what we done. Man, this we done yesterday. Yesterday we done this actually. Checking type of invoice underscore date. Here we are, I guess. Here we are, right? Am I right? Kada? Okay. So this one I can, let's keep hold actually. Dini tarvata discuss chedam. Let's hold this. Remember this. Just try to remember. There is a lot. This we'll discuss later. Let's play with the data set. Meanwhile, let us jump into the data set. Gurtunchukunnadi. In this document, what all operations are not available. I'm going to talk about that. Why? Because we have to know new things actually. Let's start. Good, fine then. Let's open the data set, man. I have created a data frame, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we are good to go. Control 0. Get ready. Let's df.head method. I hope you already know this. df.what, man? Head method actually. Good. Stock code, invoice number. Oh, what exactly, man? Invoice number. One more time. We'll see. So seems to be 536365, 536365, 536365. Small little analysis is required actually. What do you mean by invoice number? Imagine I opened my Amazon. So we are doing deep dive. I'm giving more domain knowledge actually. First point, I'm very good in e-commerce domain, banking domain, insurance domain. These 3 domains, I'm very good actually. I'm very good. Why? Because I do have a real-time exposure on the same. You open Amazon. In a same one shot, you are planning to buy 5 items actually. How many items, man? 5 items. Think like a kind of some water bottle, mobile, some notebooks, some blah blah blah. Total 5 products actually. Right? So that is a one transaction. For that one transaction, one invoice ID will be created actually. One invoice ID, it will be created. Are you clear? Good. The next one. Under invoice ID, products are different. Products are what, man? That's what you need to be understand. Good anyway. The next one, stock code. Every product having the code in the backend. You need to be focused. Next one, description. You have to be focused. Anyway, separate analysis would have quantity. Okay. So and so person, this kind of products, how many they bought actually? 6. Even how many they bought actually? 6. How many they bought actually? 8. Invoice date. Yeah, man. Invoice date actually. Unit price also would have customer ID. Can somebody tell me what it is? One more time. Customer ID. Let's focus on this. Customer ID 17850, 17850. I mean to say same customer initially. Right? Next one, country. This is what I wanted to focus just for the timing actually. Country. What is the first column name, sir? UK, United Kingdom, right? Let's open this. Okay, panchaddam. Let's do little analysis actually. Then let me create a separate windows. I wanted to play with the code actually. Okay. Load the data set, sir. Let me load the data set. Import. Import pandas as a PD. Data set loaded actually. Yep. Daniel data frame is ready. Okay. Yeah, very good, sir. Let me just try to capture the file also. If the file is not available, you will get the error. Error name is a file not found error. What error? File not found error. Let me capture the file also. Same file. Okay, let me just try to copy this. Paste here. I'm sure you know what I'm doing. Data frame is ready. Yeah. Data frame is ready. In the given data frame, man, total 5,41,000 rows. How many? With the total data set, backend object is created. Backend what is created? Great, sir. Great. Okay, hold on. Now there is one important operation. During interview, they will ask, sir. Even I used to ask this question. What are all questions I used to ask? I'm telling actually. Let us focus. I am never bothered about these are all column. Let me just try to focus on this column actually. What is the column name? One more time. Country. Okay, country. Imagine if you have country column, what are all operations we can do? Let us do actually. What are all operations we can do? First of all, when I say country, yeah, UK, you have. That to UK, not a single value. Lot of values would you have. Next one is what? France. Next one is what? Again UK. First operation, let us apply unique. Let us apply. Very good actually, right? Let's apply, sir. Let's apply. DF of, you know how to access a specific column, I'm sure. Country. Yes. And let's apply one method. Method name is a unique. What is the method name? Unique. Daniel, I wanted to know the total count of all countries. Am I right? Then what I need to apply? Length. Gurtunda sir meeku. Length of, take the same thing. Oh, very nice, Daniel. Super actually. Very good. Seriously, very good. Very nice. Total how many? 38 countries. How many, sir? Total 38 countries actually. These are all unique. Conclusion of the story, United Kingdom and Australia, Netherlands, these are all countries done more than 5,41,000 transactions. Please understand. That's the analysis actually. That's what, man? Are you clear? Now, Daniel, it's okay. We got repeating again. So on a specific column we accessed actually. Now we have a duplicate value. First I need to find out unique value. Then I will get a clarity. Total unique values are 38. Total unique values are what, man? 38. We got it clarity. 38 countries, they done 5,41,000 transactions. Amazing. In my home, my wife and myself actually 2 members. In Amazon, last month we done 10 transactions. I done 6 transactions. My wife done 4 transactions. Same thing like that. UK maybe done 50,000 transaction. France maybe done 60,000 transaction. Are you clear, sir? Daniel, I need the count of each country transactions. I need count of what, man? Each country transaction. We can get actual. We can get it. First of all, are you clear? Good. Let me just try to explain this. Country column. Analysis on country column. Ayyo. Unique operation on country column. Yeah, we done this. Next one. Total number of countries. And total number of countries actually. I wanted to know total number of countries. Good. Next operation. Each country how many times? Each country how many times? How many times they done transaction? Very nice, man. Do you wanted to know each country how many times? Yeah, Daniel. Then what we need to do, sir? Merin chalo telsa. You can just have to come here. There is a one method, man. There is a one method. What is that method name, I didn't cover in our material. Value counts. Value counts actually. Value counts. Intentionally I didn't cover. Why? Because during project I need to cover. Can you read me? What is the method name? Value. I'm sure you already know count method. Count method is different. What do you mean by count method? Number of all values excluding. That's what. But this one is value count. Instead of this column, we have a values. That value count I need actually. Listen carefully. Instead of this column, values, UK's value, France's value, I need that values count. I need that what, man? Then you need to call a method. Method name is a values counts. Value counts. Oh, seriously amazing, sir. Such a nice actually. You know what? It is giving by default descending order. By default what order? Who done more transaction, UK. How many? 4,95,000 they done transaction actually. Out of 5 lakhs plus. Out of, please understand analysis actually. The next one, Germany, second position. Next one, France. Tell me. Next position actually. On an average 8,000. Top 5 actually. I need to get a top 5 countries. Tell me. Exactly. You understand, I guess. Can I get a response from you? Very nice. Whenever you are calling value underscore counts method, what exactly it will do, sir? Based on value, it will count UK. Sir, look at the data set. Imagine, thank God, if somebody asked to count manually, what is the result, 4 lakhs? Gone. If you started counting manually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in between you may get a call from CM actually. Yeah, right. Once if you pick the call, we may forget the count. But luckily we have a method, sir. What is the method name? Value counts. Value underscore counts actually. Very nice. Let's get this one. I need top 5 countries. top 5 countries, 10 countries, like that. What we need to do, you know? Very simple. First of all, whenever you are applying this one, it is returning as a series. It is returning as what, man? Series actually. Did I written the code? No. Let's capture this. This you can assign into one small variable. Okay, I have assigned actually. That's simple. Then you can just try to call s dot what exactly? Head method. S dot what exactly, man? Head method. Perfect. We're done. Only top 5 country. Simple. There is a counter question from my side actually. There is a counter question from my side. From my side actually. From my side. What is my question? You know, boss, did you miss in place parameter topic? Just answer my question, then I can answer. Did you miss actually? Then you should have do the small revision. If you didn't miss, then do small revision. Are you with me? I wanted to know top 5 customers. Exactly. This is the real-time requirement. Get the result, apply head actual. Now top 5 customers. Then I need to send vouchers to them. Least customers, maybe I may not focus. Why? Because you know they are not focusing on my business actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Man, this is real-time scenarios. Ela untai scenarios actually. Can I get a response from you? Like this you need to be understand, right? Let's take this one. Such a great discussion is going on. I feel you are able to understand. Let me know. Salesforce.csv. Each customer, how many times done transactions. Yeah, this is the way. Daniel, I need top 5 customers. I need what, man? Top 5 customers. Top 5 customers actually. The next one, I need least to 5 customer. I need least to 5 customers actually. Least to 5 customers. Then you need to call list. Method name, I wanted to highlight method name. What is the method name? Value underscore count. So simple, man, this you can assign to one small variable. Otherwise, you know, you can just have to call on top of this one s dot head method. What method, Anna? S dot head method. You can just have to call this. We are good to go. That's it. Let's take this one. Least customer చెప్తారా? Tail method. Tell me, sir. Tail method. Tail method actually. Nice. We are good to go. Not, let me tell you, ChatGPT answers may not be right actually. Trust me, what you need to do, you know. So I'm sorry, madam, Sneha Garu, you need explanation one more time. Will you walk through or else can I explain? Let me tell you, that is a very basic question. I'm discussing about numbers 100, 101, 102, but you are asking question what is number 1, what is number 2 actually. I'm sorry. You should have fundamentals actually. All right, let's move on. Good. Where are we? UK country related records actual. If you wanted to display only UK country related records, we'll do one thing. We need to apply conditions. We need to apply what such a condition. First of all, you can just have to look at my screen. Yes. Easy. Daily revision matters. Everybody. Yeah, this one is high priority. Second one. Third one actually. Third one. MRA. We'll do one thing. Daniel, I wanted to display only UK, not count total data frame. I wanted to display Germany, not count total data frame actually. Then you need to apply filtering. You need to apply. Let's take this one. Let us try to apply. Apply chaddan chudandi. How to apply? I'm sure. I hope you already know. Yeah. First of all, print df of get the column name. What is the column name, Sarji? Country. I'm sorry, man. Chappan equals to. Yeah. Now you will get result as a boolean. You will get result as a, am I right? Assign with one variable condition. Now you can just have to apply df of condition. Df of what mean? Condition. Now just have to see. Can I ask you a question? What is the number here? 4 lakhs 95,000, and what is ending with 475. Am I right? Now look at my screen. మీకు వచ్చే డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ లో కూడా సేమ్ నెంబర్ మ్యాచ్ అయి ఉండాలి. Exactly, sir. Exactly. We are getting this data set completely belongs to UK. This data set completely belongs to. Are you clear? Confirmation. Now I need Germany. What I need to do? Replace with what exactly? Germany. Imagine like this, how many times I need to replace? Just answer my question, please. 38 times. How many times? Replacing 38 times is notorious job. అన్నిసార్లు రీప్లేస్ చేయాలంటే మనకి నరాలు వణిగిపోతాయి. Instead of that, we need to build a logic. I wanted to display all values in one shot actually. Please follow the flow. Let me repeat again. Yeah, for loop we need to apply. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. Let me repeat again. Daniel here. Let's open. Ayyo, I should run demo one. Easy man. You have to put your efforts actually. मेरे efforts పెట్టాలి. Let's get this. Dot value counts. Value counts method name. Let's run this. Yes. Can you tell me? You may be confused. It's not like a values count. What is the method name? Value counts. One more time. Value. That's what. I need this value counts. I need that value counts actually. So they have given, floral. I'm sorry, I may not update. If I am deleting, what happened? Attribute. What error? You should have error actual. Okay, good. Anyway, we got the first one. United Kingdom, all records we got it actually, all records. Same thing like this, just a need response, I need Saudi Arabia. What I need to do, sir? Instead of here, what I need to do? Exactly. Now you will get this one is a Saudi Arabia transaction actually. Like this, every time modifying is very challenging. Yeah, see, total 10 records only. How many records, man? It is matching actually. But Daniel, I need a logic. I wanted to filter all these data frames actually. Yes, we can do. Apply for loop. Apply what, man? Are you ready? Let's do this actually. Chedan Chudan. Analysis on country column. Analysis. If you want, you can print all unique values in print chedan chudandi. Yeah, first one, second one, third one respectively. Can I print one by one unique value? How to print? Yeah, for country in unique, then you can please